about Pareto Analysis, otherwise known as the 80-20 rule. Here we have an Excel spreadsheet that has the website errors, their causes, and very importantly you can see the count of the causes are in descending order, which means that the most significant or highest number of errors comes first for broken links. Then comes spelling errors, then missing title tag, missing description tag, a broken image, a script error. If I was looking at this as an administrator for a business and I wanted to make sure that the amount of time my staff put into fixing up website errors was most effective, I'd probably start thinking about where their effort would be best placed. Currently I have this graph showing the information above, and we're going to create a Pareto graph. The first thing we do when we're creating a Pareto is we get a cumulative count. Remember, our cumulative count or cumulative frequency begins with the first frequency, and then from there we add the next frequencies. Oh. Now, little trick, if I just scroll down, you can see the original had the number above and the numbers to the left added, D4 plus C5. If I click here, you can see it's now above and to the left again added. And if I go to the bottom right hand corner and continue that, it'll work for every single one of these grids. That plus that. Gotta love Excel. Now let's talk about cumulative percentage, which means I'm counting up the percentage for this value over the total. So this value divided by that value. Now we multiply by 100 just to make it look nice. The whole number percentage 43.7. Now let's try and do that again. Scroll down, but oh no, something went wrong. Let's have a look at the formatting here. It's this value divided by the total. Well, that worked. But here it's this value, yes, divided by, you see, when you scroll down, it moves it. So let's just do a bit of playing around here with the original. Forget about that. We want to lock in the red box, which is D13. So I put dollar symbols at the front of both. I'm sure if I just put dollar symbols at the front of the 13 it would work, but it'll work regardless. Let's scroll down now and see what happens. Okay, so 43% of errors are caused by broken links. 64% are caused by broken links and spelling errors. If I scroll down once more, 74.7% of errors are caused by missing tag titles, spelling errors, and broken links. Remember, it's cumulative. 84.4% of errors are caused by missing description tags, missing tag titles, spelling errors, or broken links. As I scroll down and continue this pattern, I should get, yes, to 100%. And if we go down and have a look at our graph, we have this red line. Now this red line doesn't match up with the count of errors. It has its own axis on the right here, and this is the cumulative percentage. Now, I've got some instructions down here. Draw a line at 80% on the y-axis, running parallel to the x-axis. Then drop the line at the point of intersection with the curve in the x-axis. Now, what does that mean? Oh, well, we look here. We find 80%. So 80% of all the causes going across here, you probably draw a line and then go down here. And you'd see that to focus on all of these issues would be a waste of time, really. You'd be better off focusing your efforts on missing title tags, spelling errors, and broken links. While ignoring these won't solve the problem, your time would be much more efficiently used at focusing on these errors. And that, in a nutshell, is what the 80-20 rule is all about. Spending 20% of your time instead of 100% of your time over here will fix up 80% of the errors. Thanks for listening.